Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say many thanks to our lecturer that has given us assignments. It's about ICT assignment. And then I'm Fibri Indira Lisanti Ade, NIM 12B01173, kelas di Graduate Program State University of Makassar. Now I'm going to present my presentations is about conditional sentence. Okay, in this case, conditional sentence, there are three types of conditionals. Type 1 first is conditional, first conditional. Type 2 is second conditional. Type 3 is third conditional, and there is additional here, important note for conditional sentences. Okay, we come to the what is conditional. It means conditional sentences are also known as conditional clauses or if clauses. They are used to express that the actions in the main clause can only take place if a certain condition in the clause with if it fulfills. There are three types of conditional sentences. Okay, we come to the first is first, second, and third conditionals. The first conditionals, if I have enough money, I will go to Japan. It's one of the example of first conditional. For example, of the second conditional, if I had enough money, I would go to Japan. And then the third conditional, if I had enough money, I would have gone to Japan. Conditional clause and main clause. There is a pattern here, conditional and main clause. Conditional clause, the patterns of conditional clause. For example, the first conditional, if plus present tense, and main clause, will plus infinitive of present tense or imperative. For example, if you help me with the dishes, I will help you with your homework. And the second conditional is the pattern of second conditional is if plus past tense, verb 2 I means, and then main clause is would plus infinitive. And the third conditionals, the patterns, if plus past perfect tense and would have plus past participle. Okay, we come to the first conditional. First conditionals or natures, open condition, what is said in the conditions is possible. Time, these conditions refers to either to present or to future time. For example, he is late, we will have to go without him. If mother knows about this, we are in serious trouble. Okay, we come to the second conditional, natures, unreal or impossible or impossible situation. Time, present, the tense is past, but we are talking about the present now. For example, if I knew her name, I would tell you. If I were you, I will tell my father. Compare, if I become president, I will change the social security system said by a president candidate. If I become president, I would change the social security system said by a schoolboy improbable. If we win this match, we are qualified for the semi-finals. If I won £1 million, I would stop teaching. Improbable. And then the third conditionals, nature unreal. For example, past. So we are talking about situations that was not so in the past. For example, if you had warned me, I would not have told your father about the party, but you didn't and I have. And then you have to remember there are some not here. You have to remember the first is conditional construction doesn't normally use will or would in if clauses. Exceptions, if I will or would express willingness as in request, they can be used in if clauses. For example, if you will come this way, the manager will see you now. I would be grateful if you would give me a little help. Please come this way, please give me. So there is a meaning of conditional sentence. For example, if I were a rich man, after if we can either use some, one were, or anyone were. If I have some spare time next week, or I have any spare time, so it's same, some, and any. Instead of if not, we can use unless. For example, I will be back tomorrow unless there is a planned strike. He will accept the job unless the salary is too low. So it's same with using unless and if not. And there is a mixed type as well for the present result of unreal condition in the past. For example, if you had warned me, then I would not be in prison now. Okay, that's all our presentations. It's about conditional sentence. I hope we can enjoy with our materials today, a conditional sentence. Thank you very much.